Hey, this is Jesse with Revved Up SEO. I just wanted to make this quick video to give you some marketing tips on how your website is doing and how you can start dominating your market down there in Albuquerque. Um, so first and foremost, if you notice on your website, uh, this up here is your security certification. I don't know if yours expired and it never got renewed or if it never had one or anything like that, but this is pretty important because you're essentially not saying that your site is secure. So, for instance, if somebody comes down here to your contact us and they see that, they're giving you their name and email address, it's not secure. So, in Google's eyes, they're not going to favor that because, it's personal information that can be put out there. But three of the major things that Google looks at is content, backlinks, and citations. So first of all, we'll go over your content. Um, as far as content goes, it's the amount of content and how unique or authoritative that content is. And if we're looking here on your website, there's not a whole lot of content as far as what Google's wanting to see. Typically, they like to see 1,500 words or more. But as long as you have more than what your competitors have, then it'll start ranking. And if we go over here and take a look at Stewart's Plumbing, you can see that. He's got some content. Not a whole lot, but he's got some. Come over here to TLC, and then you can see that these guys put in some time for their content as well. But this is just to give you an idea. Inside your content, you want some keywords and stuff like that related to what your business is. And then secondly, we want to go into our. So this is a tool that we use for site evaluations and things like that. It's a tool called Ahrefs. It's pretty much just a website that buys data from search engines and stuff like that. But it gives us a general idea of how you're doing versus your competitors and stuff like that. So first of all, we got our strength right here. That's the strength of your website and how Google sees how strong your website is. Right here, your DR is your trust. So, you kind of want it to have like a 1-to-1 ratio. So right now you can kind of see your trust is lower than your strength, which is affecting your ranking. Right here we have backlinks and our referring domains. So you can see that there's 47 domains giving you 570 backlinks altogether. The amount of backlinks you have and the type they are is what's going to help you start your ranking. So if we go over here and we look at your competitor, Stewart's Plumbing, I just plugged them in real quick. They have 55 referring domains and 115 backlinks. So all a backlink really is just another website pointing back to your website. But like I was saying, not all backlinks are created equal. You want something that's more relevant to what you do. So for example, plumbing. So you could have a plumber's website, say in California, pointing back to your website, and it'll be a pretty strong backlink. What you don't want is probably like a backlink from, I don't know, let's say just like an ice cream joint there in Albuquerque. It's not going to be as strong. So the amount of backlinks is what's going to help you rank and the type it is. So if you see, you can come down here and we'll see all these do follow and no follow. Those no follows are going to be what's affecting your ranking. But As you can see, Stewart's Plumbing, they got quite a bit of backlinks. Even though they have so many no follows, they got quite a bit of do follows. And then with your backlinks, you got 120 and 450. But out of those 120, you're probably got some spammy backlinks, and that's why your trust is low. With a little bit more research, we can go in there and find out how much it's affecting you. So out of these backlinks, you're being found for 174 keywords. And if we go in here to your keywords, and you can see AB Plumbing Albuquerque. So that's just you and your brand being found. Plumbers, Albuquerque. So I mean, you're being found for some good keywords. But if we come over here to stewards, we can find that they're almost essentially the same. You know, they're going to be branding the same, but I don't know if you saw, they're being found for 323 keywords, which is actually helping them being found in more different searches. Then with that being said, all I did was take one of these searches and I plugged it into Google. So over here we'll see Plumbers Albuquerque. Come down, you'll see your Google guarantees. So these guys are going to be kind of like paid ads. They're almost like these, but your Google guaranteed advertising is going to be your ads that weed out some of the spammy stuff and scammy stuff. You know, we come down here and we find our map pack is what this is called. To get ranked here on the map pack, you need citations. So all a citation is a business name followed by the address and a phone number. And the amount of citations you have in different directories is what's going to help you rank here and also on the Google searches itself. So what you want to do is you want to probably go in there and see where all your business, where your business is listed in every directory and how many times. From there, you want to see what your competitors are at, and then you want to go put your name wherever your competitors are, and then do a little bit more. That way you can dominate them here on the map pack. And then that'll also let you come down here and start ranking over here. So with Yelp, Home Advisor, Angie's List, and these consumers affairs, having strong authoritative content, backlinks, and citations, you'll be able to beat these, because what Google likes to see is local businesses instead of directories. They'll favor your local business over a directory as long as you have strong website. So again, we went over with the content, citations, and the backlinks along with that security certificate that you're lacking on your website. If you just hit on all these, you can start ranking a little bit. So with that being said, this video went on a little bit longer than I expected. I hope this video was educational for you. Hope you got some free tips. If you want, you can run with them yourself, try to implement them. If not, then you can get in contact with us again. Just email us back. If not, that's fine. It's totally up to you. If anything, I'd just like some feedback about this video at the most. Thank you. Hope you have a good day.